Welcome to the Family Cuisine.
রকমারি রান্না বান্না।
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Family Cuisine. Since it's a winter these days, so we will be preparing a soup today. We are going to prepare chicken noodle soup, which can be done without chicken as well for my vegetarian viewers. Please listen to me carefully how you can make it veg as well. So let me show you what are ingredients that we need to prepare this soup. To make the soup, I have taken around 350 to 400 grams of chicken. I have chosen the chicken where the bone part is more. Once we make stock, we can get the chicken meat from here as well. We have some onions here, around 3 to 4 baby corns, around 8 to 10 beans, 1 carrot, some broccoli and half of noodles. For my vegetarian friends, you can add more vegetables like cauliflower, bean curd, sweet corn or whatever is accessible around you and the vegetables that you like. Here we have some ginger julienne, some green chilies chopped, crushed black pepper. This is chicken cube to make the stock. For my vegetarian friends, you can add vegetable cubes instead of chicken cube. This is easily accessible in the grocery shop. We have some salt, some coriander leaves chopped, soy sauce and some corn flour. You must be thinking, what is it? As I said, I have some coriander leaves. After taking out the leaves, the stem was there. This is the stem that I kept it. I did not throw it. I'll be using it to make the stock. So we will start preparing the soup. For that we will make the chicken stock first, which is the body of the soup. We are going to heat up 1 liter of water for 4 portions of soup. Let the water start boiling, then we will add the ingredients slowly. Here water start boiling now. I'll be adding the chicken cube. For my vegetarian friends, you can change it to the vegetable cube. It has lots of salt, that's the reason it's bubbling up there. Now you remember those all coriander stems. I'm just going to add them and just wait for some time. I'll just reduce the heat. Let the chicken cube dissolve in the water. Now we are going to add the chicken. In vegetarian soup, this stage you add the vegetables that you like. And we will wait for the chicken to get cooked. Adding some crushed black pepper. Depends on your taste, how spicy you want it. Let's have a look. Chicken is done. Now we are going to separate the chicken from the bone and we will be taking out all the coriander stems. See, we are taking off the bones from the chicken. Still hot. Now the stock is ready. We will be adding the vegetables one by one. To start with, we will be adding the carrots because it takes a little while to get cooked. Then the French beans. Some ginger julienne. You got the spiciness from there. And the whole onion. Let it simmer for some time, around 5-10 minutes. Then we'll be adding the baby corn and other vegetables. Now I will be adding the broccoli and the baby corn. Along with this, I can add the soy sauce as well. Just 1 teaspoon. That should be good. Let me give it a quick stir and check it out. Yes, it has taken a bit dark color, so I will not add more. Again, soy sauce is also a salty character. Till now we did not use the salt. We will check it later. Towards the end, we will add the salt if we need it. Covering this up for another 3 to 4 minutes. Let me check it out. Looks good. Here I'll be adding those chicken. See? Actually we are towards the end of the soup. Remember we had that cornstarch. I used only half a teaspoon of cornstarch and make a mix. I'm just gonna add it just to give a little thickness in the soup. Give the quick mix. Look at this. There's lots of vegetables. So my vegetarian viewers, apart from the chicken, you have got so much of vegetables inside, and if you want to add more, you can add more. So full of vegetables and the chicken here. Here we have the noodles that I had before, just one. I add it. We'll just wait for it to get cooked. In case of non-vegetarian, you can add egg as well. That gives a good look and the taste. But today we did not add egg. Let me give a quick taste just to check the salt and the spiciness. If you need, we can add. I think we need some salt and some green chilies as well. Or we can add the ginger that we have there. I'll put in half teaspoon of salt. A little bit more maybe. Or else once you are having it, that time you can add the salt. There's 2 chilies up here, so that should be fine. 1 chili and some more ginger. Stir it a little bit. And I'll let it up for a minute. It should be done. Yeah, looks yummy. Final taste. Perfect. It's a bit spicy, and the salt is there. I can taste all vegetables. Looks nice with the noodles and the green broccolis and the coriander. Awesome. So this is what was our homemade chicken noodle soup or vegetarian soup, the way you make it. Trust me, it's not that difficult to make it. It's very, very easy. Now we will be putting it in a bowl. So everyone, that was our homemade chicken noodle soup or the vegetarian noodle soup, the way you prepare it. The ingredients that you have at home, you can prepare it with it. Nothing special things that you have to get from your grocery shop. If you like our video, please hit the like button, share, subscribe. See you on next Wednesday or Saturday as we upload our videos on Wednesday or Saturday. Stay fit, stay healthy. Bye for now.